Okay, folks, today is August 14th, and we have Miska and Eli's 1-month-old German Shepherd puppies. They are part working line and part show line. East and West Germany. I call this the Beauty and the Beast. These are big 1-month-old German Shepherd puppies, folks. There's there's 2 boys and 3 girls. And the dad, he runs somewhere between 125 to 130 pounds. He's got a head as big as a Great Dane's head. And the mom, she runs right around between 75 and 80 pounds. And let's see if we can get them to come out and say hi. There we go. We got a little attitude back there in the back. That guy right there. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pause it and get them out so that you can really get a good view of them. So I'm going to go ahead and pause it. Okay, folks, we're back. Got them out of their box. That's a girl, and this is a girl. Here's a boy, and this black one right here is a boy. The 2 boys are gathered together right here. Let's get another view of these guys down here. That's a boy back there. Right there. This guy, I think that's a girl. These are big dogs. Even the girls are as big as the boys, and usually you can tell the gender. One way you can tell is the size. Girls are generally smaller. Oh yeah, hi big guy. You tell them. So they're 1 month old. I'll be making phone calls to people that are interested that's on the list. They can actually come out, view the puppies. If they like one, leave a deposit of half down and tag their dog. We'll be making those phone calls later today. Okay, folks, stay tuned for more videos of Miska and Eli's true to the breed German Shepherd puppies. Thanks for watching. Over and out.